My Paris business trip was a complete nightmare.
You look like you survived a terrible war.
I lost the expensive new company laptop yesterday.
The boss will absolutely fire you for that.
A thief snatched it at the train station.
Did you report the crime to local police?
I forgot all my basic English speaking skills.
Panic is the enemy of your professional career.
Help me survive this terrible corporate disaster now.
Let us roleplay every single emergency situation together.
Someone stole my black company laptop bag just now.
Calm down. Where did this incident exactly happen?
I was waiting for the morning train at the station.
Did you see the criminal's face?
The platform was incredibly crowded and very chaotic.
I need to file a formal crime report immediately.
Will this report help me with my company?
Your HR department requires this official document.
What details do you need to know now?
Please describe the specific laptop model and the exact time.
It was a silver MacBook Pro with company stickers.
Was there any other valuable personal property?
My passport and international credit cards were also inside it.
We must cancel those cards immediately.
This business trip is an absolute complete disaster.
Do not panic. We handle these tourist crimes every day.
How long does this police paperwork take today?
I will print your official copy very shortly.
I need that copy to prove my complete innocence.
You will just sign the bottom line here.
Thank you for your fast and professional help.
Keep this document safe for your corporate insurance claim today.
I will email this directly to my strict boss tonight.
Good luck with the rest of your stressful trip.
Let's pause right here. Notice how Leo almost used the word lost? In the corporate world, losing a laptop makes you look completely careless. You must confidently state that it was stolen. This legally shifts the blame to the criminal. Your survival keyword here is police report. If you don't file this formal document, your HR department will force you to pay for the laptop. Always demand a physical copy before you leave the local station. Let's see Leo's next challenge.
That will be 80 euros for the quick ride.
80? But the standard airport rate is only 50.
There is a special holiday luggage surcharge today, my friend.
You never mentioned any extra fees to me. I will not pay this ridiculous fake price today.
You must pay what the driver demands right now.
I am looking at the official taxi price list here.
My personal digital meter is currently broken today.
I absolutely refuse to pay without a working taximeter.
You are making a huge mistake in my city.
Turn on the meter or I will call police.
Fine, I will use the standard rate for you.
I also need a printed receipt for my company reimbursement.
I do not have paper receipts in this car.
Then I cannot pay you any money right now.
You are the worst tourist passenger I have ever seen.
My company requires official receipts for all travel expenses.
Okay, I found a blank receipt book back here.
Please write down the exact date and total amount.
Here is your stupid piece of paper. Get out!
Thank you for your honest and transparent transportation service.
Just take your heavy bags and get out of my car.
I will remember this terrible taxi experience for a while.
Have a terrible day in the beautiful city of Paris.
Stop right there. When facing a taxi ripoff, arguing is useless. Your power word is taximeter. If they claim it is broken, use the condition technique. I will not pay until you turn it on. This forces them to follow the law immediately. Remember the word receipt. Without it, your company cannot reimburse or pay you back for the trip. Never leave a taxi without that piece of paper, even if the driver gets angry. Now Leo faces a physical emergency.
How many pills should I take before my important meeting?
Take 2 pills every 4 hours with clean water.
I hope I can survive this important corporate client pitch.
Good luck with your stressful business presentation today. I will take this helpful medicine immediately. Remember to eat very light meals for the next whole day.
I need some strong medicine for my sick stomach.
What are your specific physical symptoms today?
I have a severe stomach ache after eating dinner last night.
Do you have any fever or cold chills?
I feel dizzy and very nauseous right now this morning.
It sounds like a typical case of food poisoning.
I have a massive client presentation very soon.
You must drink plenty of clean water and rest immediately.
Can you give me some fast-acting antibiotics today?
You need a local doctor prescription for that medicine.
But I am a foreigner on a very strict schedule.
I can give you strong over-the-counter medicine.
Will this medicine stop the terrible stomach cramps completely today?
It will relieve the sharp pain temporarily.
Am I allergic to any specific ingredients here?
Do you have any known medical drug allergies at all?
I am allergic to penicillin and cheap standard painkillers.
This medication is completely safe for your body.
Let's break this down. When facing a medical emergency abroad, the pharmacist will always ask for your symptoms, how your body feels. Memorize the phrase, I have a severe, and add your pain. In Leo's case, it is food poisoning. Finally, never buy medicine without knowing your allergies. Use the phrase, I am allergic to prevent a deadly reaction. Over-the-counter medicine means you can buy it without a doctor's permission. Leo is finally ready for his meeting.
Let us practice your survival skills.
I am ready for the test.
I lost my company laptop today.
Say it was stolen right away.
How do you prove your innocence?
I need a formal police report.
The taxi ride is 80 euros.
I will not pay you until.
Until I do what exactly today?
You turn the taximeter on immediately.
I cannot give you a receipt.
My company requires it for reimbursement.
What are your specific physical symptoms?
I feel dizzy and very nauseous.
It might be severe food poisoning.
Do you have over-the-counter medicine?
Do you have any known allergies?
I am allergic to standard painkillers.
You handle these travel emergencies perfectly.
I feel confident and completely safe.
You survived the corporate travel disaster.
I protected my job and wallet.
You are ready for any trip.
I am the master of travel.
Excellent job. You've survived the worst business trip nightmare. Now, let's lock in the key vocabulary and grammar that saved Leo today. Key vocabulary. First, remember the difference between lost and stolen. Always use stolen to protect your professional image. We also learned pickpocket, the criminal, and police report, the official document. The taxi survival. Never get scammed by a broken taximeter. Always demand a receipt so your company can reimburse you. Medical emergency. If you feel dizzy or nauseous, it might be food poisoning. Look for over-the-counter medicine at a pharmacy, but always mention your allergies. Grammar point. Notice how we use the condition technique with the word until. I will not pay until you turn on the meter. This is your power structure for handling any unfair situation. Master these, and you will never be a victim abroad again. Before we end, here is your ultimate takeaway for today's lesson. In a business trip disaster, your greatest weapon is not your passport, but your professional vocabulary. Remember this golden rule. Never admit fault when you are a victim, and never pay $1 without a formal receipt. Whether it is a stolen laptop or a greedy taxi driver, use stolen instead of lost, and demand data instead of making excuses. When you speak with authority, you protect your company, your money, and your career. If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know is too busy to study. And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell. See you in the next episode of GEM.